What's up, YouTube? Bismathy here once again with another video. And in today's video, I will be discussing how to create lookalike audiences and the most effective way to do it. This seems like a very simple question, but a lot of people have questions how to create lookalike audiences and the steps to do it. So I'm just going to show it, and on top of that, I'm going to show you the most effective and efficient way to create them, create lookalike audiences. Now, before we go on, be sure to subscribe and comment down below, because we post weekly, at least 3 times a week on this channel about different Shopify e-commerce, Facebook ads, tutorials, and other methods like that. Now, I'm in my Facebook ad account, as you all can see. And I'm pretty open. I'm selling a 2-tone hoodie. So it's like a hoodie with different colors on it. And so, yeah. But how to create your lookalike audience. So first you have to create a custom audience. So you go over here and create custom audience. And then this is usually after if your store has received at least 1,000 visitors to your website. So you have, people visiting your store and whatnot. You have custom audiences. And so you can create a custom audience based off of those first 1,000 visitors. So if you're still in the beginning stages, this necessarily isn't for you, to be honest. This is for people who are, they're still in the beginning stages of Facebook ads, but they had a few sales probably on their store, or they have, got some visitors. So as you all saw, I clicked it to create a custom audiences based off the website. So this is just a general store, honestly, you all. That's why I put Matt General 1.0 because this is for tutorial use only. And so what you're going to do right here is all you can create based off of all your website visitors. But what we want to do is people who visited specific web pages. So we're going to click that. And then I'm just going to put google.com, right? And for this, what I'm going to do, if the URL equals this, because I want people who go to this exact website. So if it was just contains, it would get information from all URLs that contains the word Google, not necessarily www.google.com only. So equals is very important, especially like if you're on your website. You want to create custom audiences for a specific product, and so make sure you put URL equals. And then we're just going to do it for the last 30 days. You can do it up to 180 days, based off people who visited your website. And so, you're just going to create Google website audience, right? And then you just create audience just like that. You just click that, and then your audience will be created. Alright, you also, when you want to create a lookalike audience, so you go to that custom audience. So I have one right here for example purposes. I created other tutorials, that's why I have these over here. So you're just going to click on the custom audience, and then you're going to go down over here where it says actions and create lookalike. I know it's kind of cut off, but yeah. And then what you're going to usually choose is United States for the location. And then from there, this is where you make multiple ones. Whenever you're doing lookalike audiences, make sure you test all the percentages. And so instead of creating one that's like 7 million, it's better to create each individual one, like smaller ones, like 0 to 1, that will be 1, 1 to 2, that will be in the second one, 2 to 3, all the way up to 9 and 10, which will be the 10th one. So what I like to do is I like to show advanced options, right? And then from here, you could do up to 6 of these audiences, you know, so you won't have like a super big audience. So for example, number of audiences, so that's 3. So that's 3 separate 2 million audiences that you can try implementing. So you will create that, you know, you just go down and create these audiences and it will load up after about a few minutes. And so yeah, so you could do that for up to the whole thing. Well, it says up to 6 audiences, and then you know, so basically what you would do is do it for all 6, and then you create them, and then you come back here to create lookalike audiences, and then you do them for the rest of these 4 down here. Alright, you all, I hope you all understood that video, and you all can apply it to your business at the moment. I mean, there's no way denying that lookalike audiences are so important, and you know, to do what you need to do, and for advertising purposes, because that's the best source of your audience. That's the best audience to sell on Facebook is our lookalike audiences. All right, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any questions. All right, peace.